Hi, today in front of me Honor X6 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the gallery application. Okay, just if you wanna hide this, this is this is not photos. Okay, let's just take a picture. Okay, so now just to hide our previously taken photos, just let's select them. Let's select these 3 photos. To hide them now, we should tap on the right down corner to more icon and tap to hide. So hide these 3 items, you should tap to OK. Just to find the hidden items, we should switch photos to albums tab. Tap on the right upper corner to these 3 dots and click to hidden items. So now we can see our just these hiding photos, and to unhide them just by the same way we should select them, click to unhide, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.